Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you what to do if your TCL C61B is stuck on a boot logo. First, grab your TV's power cord and unplug it from the outlet. After that, locate the power button at the bottom of your TV and hold it down. While holding it down, re-plug the power cord. Then check the bottom of your TV. At some point you should see the LED indicator blinking, and once you see that, release the power button. Just wait for the factory menu to appear on your screen. It should happen in a few seconds. Here, use your remote's D-pad to navigate between options. Select Factory Data Reset by pressing the middle D-pad key, then confirm by selecting Factory Data Reset again. Once you press that, the factory reset process will begin and your TV will be reset to defaults. After the restart, the TV should boot up normally and you'll need to set up your Google account again. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like, and comment below.